Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to deposit money into your Raymond James account. Whether you're new to investing or just managing your finances, this step-by-step process will make it easy and stress-free. Raymond James is a trusted financial services firm, and depositing funds is a breeze once you know the ropes. First things first, make sure you have your Raymond James account set up. If you don't, head to their website or app and complete the registration. It's quick and secure. Now, let's get to the deposits. The most common way is through online banking. Log into your Raymond James online portal using your username and password. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers or Deposits section. Here, you can link your external bank account, like your checking or savings from another bank. Next, initiate a transfer. Select the amount you want to deposit and choose the account you're transferring from. Raymond James uses advanced security measures, so you'll need to verify the transfer, often through a confirmation code sent to your email or phone. This usually takes just a few minutes. If you prefer mobile deposits, download the Raymond James app from your phone's app store. It's user-friendly and allows you to deposit checks by simply taking a photo. For larger sums or if you're more traditional, consider wire transfers. Contact your bank to set this up, providing them with Raymond James's wiring instructions, which you can find in your account details. Remember, wire transfers might have fees, so check with your bank first. A few quick tips. Always double-check the account numbers to avoid errors, and keep an eye on processing times. Electronic transfers can take 1 to 3 business days. If you're depositing a check in person, visit a Raymond James branch with your ID and the check ready. There you have it. Depositing money into Raymond James is simple and secure. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that financial future together.